Hi families, my name is Deneilya Hopkins and I'm a child and adolescent therapist with Coleman Professional Services, and today I'm going to share with you a family unity activity. And this activity is to help families identify and communicate their values, strengths, coping skills, accomplishments, and the ways they blow off steam. So this activity is going to be a house, and each family can do their own individual house or they can do one big house together. And with this house, I'm going to start with the door. And the door represents things you hide from others. So on my house, I hide stress from others because I am like the family planner and I'm always trying to coordinate schedules and it gets stressful, but that's something that I hide from my family. And embarrassment. So I hide embarrassment because of how much my dogs bark. When people knock on the door or when people walk by, they always bark and it's very embarrassing. And I try to shush them and make them quiet. So that is an embarrassing thing that I hide from others. So the next level is going to be the walls. And the walls is anyone or anything that supports you. And I put that my family and friends support me. So those are some things that I put in the walls of my home. And then level 1 is going to be behaviors that you're trying to control or areas of your life that you're trying to change. So in my house, I put that I'm trying to control worry over when COVID-19 is going to be completely over with. And I also put I'm trying to change the lack of motivation I have to work out at home. With the gyms being closed, I used to go all the time, and now I am not that motivated to work out at home, unfortunately. And then on my level 2, I put you can draw or list emotions that you want to experience more. So on my level 2, I put silliness, just laughing and playing around. I'm a very serious person and I always like to get things done. So I would like to experience more silliness. And then I put more relaxation. I'm always busy doing things and making sure things are done, that I don't really just relax and enjoy myself much. So on the 3rd level, it says, list all things that you are happy about or you want to be happy about. So on this 3rd level, I put, we just got a new house, so I'm very happy about that. And when my partner does things without me having to point them out and say, hey, this needs to be done, that makes me extremely happy. And also, when our puppies behave and they don't bark, that is something that makes me extremely happy as well. So I put that in my level 3. So for level 4, it says, list or draw what a life worth living looks like for you. So I put a heart to represent love. A life full of love is worth living. A life full of 24/7 support is worth living. And my future is worth living for. So those are 3 things that I kind of put in my things that are worth living for level 4 box. And then I move up to the roof. So the roof is people or things that protect you. So in my protective roof, I put faith, my partner, house, family. These are all things that protect me, and I put them on my roof to show that. And then next we're going to move to the chimney, things that help you blow off steam or ways you blow off steam. And I put music. Music, I always listen to it, I always have it playing, so that's a way that I blow off steam. Cooking, I love to cook, so that is definitely a way I blow off steam. And my puppies, just petting them and being around them is a way that I blow off steam. And last but not least, I put my flag. And that's things that I'm proud of or things that I want other people to notice or see. And I put helpful and understanding. I'm a very helpful and understanding person, and I am very proud of those traits and those personality characteristics, so I put that in my flag. So this is my home that I'm going to discuss with my family and talk about why I put things where. And everybody can come together in a room and work on it. You can color it, you can paint it, you can do individual ones, or you can do one big one, and just share why you put things where. Again, my name is Deneilya Hopkins, and I am a child and adolescent therapist with Coleman Professional Services. And if you have any questions, you can contact the Coleman in Barberton. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.